everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make pomegranate chocolate tart. It's decadent, layered with chocolate dough and velvety smooth chocolate ganache with pomegranate arils on top. And it's not that tough to make. It's a very easy peasy recipe. So let's get started. First, to make our dough, in a bowl I'll add some butter. Into this I'm going to add caster sugar and some salt. Now I'm going to mix this until they are all combined well. And then I'll add the all-purpose flour, almond flour and cocoa powder. Now mix this until the dough is ready. You can also use your hands, but right now I think it's okay to use a spatula. Now all the measurements are written there in the description box. You can check from there. And now take a pie pan and grease it. I'm also going to line it with parchment paper. I'll now add my dough into it and will press it in the pan. Try to make an even layer, especially take care of the edges. And now I'm going to keep this in fridge for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I'll take this out of the fridge and I'm going to prick this several times with a fork. Now this is done to help the tart not to puff up while baking. Now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our crust is now done, so I'm just going to let it cool completely. Meanwhile, I'll start preparing my ganache. This is heavy cream, and into this I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt here. And now I'll heat this in the microwave for about a minute with 30 seconds intervals. Our cream is out of the microwave now. It's heated up, and now I'm going to add some semi-sweet chocolate into this along with some butter. So we are going to stir this until it is all combined. See how nice and glossy this is, and this is what we are looking for. Now once this is done, I'm going to add a quarter cup of pomegranate arils into this. I'm going to mix again. And now I'm going to pour the chocolate filling into the crust. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. And then I'll take another quarter cup of pomegranate arils and add on top of the chocolate ganache. Look how beautiful it looks. And the toughest part comes now, as now you have to let it sit for setting, either in the fridge for 1 hour or at the room temperature for about 2 hours minimum. So this is out of the fridge now. Now once the chocolate filling has firmed up, we are going to cut it into triangles. So I hope you like this recipe. This is such a beautiful and tasty and easy peasy dessert recipe. Do try my recipe and share the pictures on my Instagram or tag me on your photos with the hashtag BakeWithDipali. And I'll see you all with more eggless recipes to try this Diwali season. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.